Want to score 95% plus in class 10? Then follow these 5 powerful methods, and I promise your marks will skyrocket. Step 1. Study from NCERT or quality lectures. First of all, stick to NCERT or your trusted lecture videos. Everything in the exam comes directly or indirectly from NCERT, so understand every line. No shortcuts here. Step 2. Make your own notes. Never depend on someone else's notes. Your brain remembers what it creates, not what it copies. Use someone else's notes only when you have very little time, like 10 to 15 days before the exam. But right now, make your own notes. Step 3. Practice questions, the topper's secret. Practice is everything. Follow this order. Question practice booklet. Previous year question papers. NCERT exercise questions. If you do this, trust me, 70% of paper will feel already seen. Step 4. Stay motivated every single day. Write your goal on your wall. 95 plus in class 10. Whenever you look at it, you'll remember why you started. This simple trick keeps you motivated daily. Step 5. Revision, the game changer. If you don't revise, you don't retain. Start your revision at least 15 days before exams. Revise your notes, resolve questions, and go through difficult topics again. If you follow these 5 steps with honesty, scoring 95 plus in class 10 becomes easy. Let me know in the comments. I am ready for 95 plus.